Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, in this video we will discuss question number 28 of NEET physics paper 2016. Question number 28. Consider the junction diode as ideal. This diode is ideal. Ideal implies no resistance. So this diode actually projects no resistance. So here the resistance of this diode is 0. The value of current flowing through AB. So basically this is a diode which has no resistance. The resistance is 0 and there is a resistance of 1 kilo ohm connected here. This point is B which is having minus 6 volt and this point is A having plus 4 volt as shown in figure. So you have to find the current flowing through this. Suppose that I say the current that is flowing through this is I. Now our aim is to find the value of I. Now according to Ohm's law, the potential difference across the conductor across the ends of the conductor is proportional to, is equal to, in fact, VA minus BB equal to the current flowing through this and the resistance of this conductor, RAB. This is from here I will get the value of I. Similarly, from here to here we are interested in finding the current, so I'll write from here the potential at A is VA. Now its resistance is 0, so there is no potential drop. From here to here there is a potential drop of this resistance is suppose R, so minus of IR is a drop here, and that ends here, that is this equal to potential of B. So from here I write that VA minus BB equals to I into R. So from here I equals to VA minus BB divided by R. VA is 4 volt, I'll write 4, minus VB is minus 6 volt, so it is minus 6 divided by R, which is 1 kilo ohm. Okay, so 1000, this is in volt, this is in ohm, so that is ampere. This is 10 divided by 1000 ampere, which is equal to 1 kilo is 1000, so goes 10 raised to power minus 2 ampere. So the current is 10 raised to the power minus 2 ampere, and the option is third option, which is 10 raised to power minus 2 ampere. Okay, thank you.